Hi guys, today I'll be testing out no glue slime recipes. So let's get started. Guess what guys, we reached 20,000 subscribers and my giveaway is closed. But now I may have a new giveaway where I'll be giving away this iPad mini 4. What you can do to win this iPad mini 4 is subscribe to this channel and like this video and comment something random. So the first recipe is called the soap slime, which you will obviously need a bowl and a mixing tool and soap. So first what you want to do is pour as much as soap as you want. So mix it around and leave this in the freezer for 5 minutes. So this is what it is after 5 minutes. So it is clumping up. Let's see if we can poke it. The second slime recipe is called the face mask slime, which you will need. The face mask must contain polyvinyl alcohol and laundry detergent. This is tied to clear laundry detergent. You can use contact lens solutions or borax. First, what you want to do is pour as much as face mask you want. So I poured about that much, and now you want to do is mix. This is the time you can add your color. And mix. And keep on mixing. It's very glossy and clicky. So take this slime and put it in a container, and this slime will clear up in 2 days. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like, and